guys, I want to say thank you so much for your support, my viewers around the world. Thank you, my YT friends and family. I love you all. Guys, today I want to share with you a simple delicious dish or recipe, citrus chicken recipe. It's chicken cooked in orange juice and lemon juice, then cook it up with all the onions. I got my onions, I got my garlic, my chopped ginger, my chopped onions, okay, my lemon zest. This is my lemon zest. That is my orange sliced, okay. That is the lemon. That is the lemon juice in there in the bottle. That is the orange juice. I've juiced it out. That is my oil I'm gonna be cooking with, and all the spices. And that is the chicken cooking on the fire. My oil, okay guys. To fry the chicken, you can use any oil. You can use any chicken parts that you fancy, but I'm using chicken breast. Okay. I put it in the kitchen tower to soak up the oil. It's a healthy oil anyway. Yeah. So I'm going to fry my oranges first of all. Get it brown on each side. Okay. Okay guys. I'm gonna bring it out there. That's the orange. So now I'm gonna put in my garlic. Now I'm gonna put in my garlic, ginger, then onions, and fry. So I'm going to put in my orange juice. My orange juice goes in there. Okay, that's the orange juice. Goes in the fried garlic, ginger, and onions. Then I put in my spices. Nutmeg goes in there. Okay. My cayenne pepper goes in there. My pepper flakes goes in there. My paprika goes in there. Okay. Then my fried chicken will go in there. My fried chicken. Fried chicken goes in there. Then my lemon juice goes in there. Tipping my lemon juice. My lemon zest will go in there. My lemon zest go in there. Okay. Then I will now put my caramelized orange. Will go on top and cook. Slow cook. Okay. A very slow one. Look at that. Look at that color. My citrus chicken is ready. That is the chicken in there. And you see that? This is beautiful, man. Beautiful, beautiful. It's sour, it's sweet, it's zingy, it's biting, it's wow. It's everything you can think of. It's delicious. It's yummilicious. Look at that. Basmati rice that I'm gonna eat with it. Okay, it's cooked with lemon juice and herbs, dry herbs. Okay, you see how fluffy it is? I like my rice to be fluffy when I cook rice, not sticky. Okay, so I'm gonna be eating it with my citrus chicken. Oh, this is delicious, man. This is delicious, guys. This is heaven. Look at that. Look at that. So now I'm gonna do some tasty with the lemon rice, lemon and herb rice that I cooked. Look at the rice, okay? That is the rice there, guys. So I'm gonna serve it with this my chicken, my citrus chicken. Yes, yeah. Oh, this is delicious. Look at that. Oh, let's have a taste. We need to taste this. We need to taste this, guy. We need to taste this. It's good to use chicken breast, okay? It's sweet, it's sour. I'm gonna eat the orange like that. Look at that. This is healthy, guys. Delicious, guys. Guys, let me go and sit down and enjoy this rice. And this is my citrus chicken recipe. Thank you for watching, guys. Honestly, I appreciate everyone watching me right now, giving me nice comments, giving me a thumbs up, sharing out this video to your friends, to your friends, to your friends. I say thank you so much, guys, and keep safe. And I love you all, honestly, genuinely from the bottom of my heart. And God bless you all. And bye. Take care, love. Love you all.